Be the listening ear. Kani importante kay ni daghan kayo mga banay, they get this wrong. And I do not want you to fall in that trap. Okay? Be the listening ear. When magyaw-yaw or magmugot si work from home ni mga virtual assistant wife and then close niya ang laptop, or worse, when she cries in the corner because she's overwhelmed sa personal errands on top of client work, just pause. Okay? Pause lang. You can maybe pat her back, gaksa lang siya. I think makabantay man ka sa iyahang mga physical cues when she's emotional. Be supportive lang. Okay? Try daw dalhi og tubig, calm her down, and then ask her, kinsay kontra nimo langga. Okay? You are prompting her to open up, and then you let her know nga you are on her side. Kalma lang. Dili pinasuko ha nga, kinsay kontra nimo? Ayaw ana ha. Hinay lang ato pagsulti. Langga, kinsay kontra nimo? Anaa nga to no. You let her know that you're on her side nga, laban kaniya. Hinahanglan siya karamay. That's all. And then when she talks, bahalag wala ka kasabot if mo mention siya CRM, automation, lead time, or task board. Bahalag wala ka kasabot sa terms, paminawa lang. Let her vent out. Sometimes the best medicine is just a listening ear. Kanang paminawon lang yung ka. Don't even attempt to solve her problems. Ayaw suggest nga, giing-ani ta to nimo. Ayaw yung nana ha, ay pinamay ha. Ayaw, kay chances are, she already knows how to solve that problem. What she needs is not a solution. She needs a supporter who will listen and unload her mental and emotional burdens. Muna'y kulang. Kay wala man siya kasturya baya whole day. Likely wala siya ka-vent outan. Overwhelmed gali, wa man ta niingon nga incapable si wife. Wa man ta niingon nga dili siya makasolve sa problem or nga wala siya skills nga makasolve sa problem. She does. She is very competent to solve those problems. Overwhelmed lang siya. Overwhelmed iyang feeling. She just needs a space na paminawon siya o niya suportaan siya without judgment. So after nimo siya i-allow og space nga mohungaw sa iyang mga hinanaing, I promise you, smile na siya. Kaya naka-offload naman siya. Nakapagawas na siya ba sa iyang gibati. She just needs to vent kay all day long wa siya kasturya. Likely wala siya office mate nga naadiha personally nga makasupport niya because she works alone. Remember, she works from home. I hope kasabot ka sa sitwasyon sa imuhang wife nga lisod gyud walay kabentan.